If it kicks off in London, you will not have time to Google. So in the next few minutes, I'll give you 12 moves that keep you breathing, moving and home safe. No politics, just safety. Watch till the end, the last 60 seconds are your get home drill. This video is educational, not legal advice. Follow instructions from police and stewards. I'm not telling you to attend or not attend. What I am going to do is give you a calm UK legal plan for crowded streets, tight spaces and sudden changes. You'll get what to wear, what to carry, where to stand, how to move and what to do if kettled, if smoke blows in or if the crowd surges. You'll hear big numbers online, maybe huge crowds. The exact number doesn't matter. Density does. If you can't freely lift your arms, the risk is already rising, so we plan before. We choose edges and we leave early at the first red flags. Let's start. The 12 things. 1. The buddy and rendezvous plan, the no phone backup. Rule 1. Never go solo if you can help it. Go with a buddy. 2 is fine, but pair up. Before you travel, agree a rendezvous point away from the route, not a landmark everyone uses, not a station entrance. Pick something boring but clear, a specific side street corner, a distinct shop front, or a church gate a 10-minute walk from the main crowd. Write it on paper, put it in your wallet, because when battery dies or network chokes, your plan has to survive offline. Decide 2 exit routes right now, northwest or southwest, so if one's blocked, you switch without thinking. That's what keeps panic from taking the wheel. 2. The map trick, edges and off-route thinking. Most people think in straight lines. I'll go from A to B on the main road. In crowds, straight lines become traps. Your advantage is off-route thinking, side streets, parallel roads, cut-throughs, little bits of green space that buys you oxygen. Open maps, download offline for central London, drop pins for rendezvous, 2 exits in opposite directions, a secondary station that's not the obvious one. Now add paper, print a small map or draw the shape of your area. Why paper? Because you can't lose paper battery. Fold it, put it in your pocket. You won't look cool, you'll look like the person who gets home. Think edges. Walk on the outside of the crowd where you can step off of the pavement into space. Think early. If density climbs and your movement slows, leave before tension peaks. You almost never regret leaving 10 minutes early. Dress and carry. UK legal micro kit. Your kit should be small, legal and designed for comfort and clarity. The goal is hands-free, eyes protected and battery alive. Wear. Sturdy shoes with grip, no open toes. Light rain layer with a hood or a cap. Clear wraparound glasses for dust, debris, wind. Foam earplugs in a tiny case for sirens, shouting or horses. Some people are extremely scared of horses. Thin gloves if chilly, better grip if you need to move barriers in an emergency or steady yourself. Carry, pocket sized. 500 milliliters to a liter of water. To keep hands free and water accessible, you can buy clips that go onto your belt to hold your water. As soon as I came across these, I added them to the EDC section of my Amazon kit list. Feel free to check out the kit list that I've crafted over months in the description below. Phone on battery saver plus power bank and short cable. Snack bar for blood sugar and calm. Cash, notes, coins plus ID. Mini first aid, plasters, sterile wipes, sterile saline iPods, gauze, 2 triangular bandages, nitrile gloves. Whistle, free blast equals help. Waterproof notepad plus pen for key info if comms die. FFP2 face covering for use if there is smoke or dust. Paper map with rendezvous and exits marked. No sprays marketed as self-defense, no knives, nothing that could be classed as a weapon. Keep hands visible when moving near police. You're removing friction, every tiny comfort, dry eyes, charged phone, a simple snack prevents bad decisions later. The density test and breathing frame. Crowd danger is about pressure, you can feel it before you see it. Here's your density test. Can you lift your arms freely to shoulder height? Yes, you're fine, stay on the edge. No, you're in a compression zone, it's time to move out. Breathing frame. Hands at chest, elbows slightly out, palms open. Create a triangle space for your lungs and heart. Stance, 1 foot ahead like a surfer for balance, knees soft. Move with the sway, don't fight it head on. If the crowd surges. Don't go against the push, angle diagonally towards the edge. No weaving through gaps that close behind you. Go steady, small shuffles, keep your balance. If someone falls, shout down, clear space, help them up fast. If you fall, curl to protect your head, on all fours, then up. 5. Edge discipline. Avoid bottlenecks. A peaceful crowd can become dangerous at bottlenecks. Avoid narrow alleys, scaffolding, construction fencing, underpasses and tunnel mouths, station entrances and ticket barriers where flows reverse, high curbs and railings that can pin people. Rule: stick to the edge and always know your next side street. If you see mounted units moving, widen your distance and avoid getting channeled between horses and hard barriers. Every minute, ask yourself, if I have to leave right now, where's my next 20 meters? That single question keeps you ahead of surges. The 10-second decision tree when tension rises. When shouting starts, lines shift or objects arc, you have 10 seconds to choose calm. Is density increasing? If yes, move now, diagonal to edge. Where is upwind? Move upwind of smoke and irritants. Where's open space? Side street, courtyard, wide pavement, not a dead end. Do I need height? Sometimes a single step up, stairs, step, low wall gives you air and perspective. Who am I with? Grab buddy's sleeve, don't lose contact, hands visible, phone away, walk, don't run. Eye scan, horses, barriers, vans, avoid being funneled. You're not trying to win the moment, you're trying to win the exit. Kettle protocol, if contained. Kettling can feel intense. Your job is to slow your mind. Do. Breathe slow. In for 4 seconds, out for 6. It lowers panic. Text your check-in contact. Kettle near landmark, time, battery percent, I'm okay. Conserve battery, aeroplane mode on, send messages in bursts. Hydrate and share info politely with stewards and police. If you have medical needs, state them clearly and calmly. Wait for controlled dispersal and follow instructions. Don't shove lines or argue. Don't spread rumors like what happened in South Korea when people started saying a celebrity was in a bar. The results speak for themselves. Don't escalate with gestures or objects in your hand. Irritants and smoke, eyes, lungs, exit. If you encounter smoke, dust or irritant spray in the air, move. Get upwind, use flags, smoke drifts or high tree leaves to read wind. Put on the FFP2 face covering if you have it. Don't rub eyes. Flush. Use clean water or sterile saline pods to gently flush eyes. Tilt head, let it run outwards. Remove contact lenses as soon as you can. Wash skin with mild soap once safe. After, hydrate. If systems persist, seek medical help. De-escalation and bystander safety. In heated moments, do less better. Keep hands empty and visible. Don't pick up objects. It changes how you're perceived and adds risk. Avoid front lines and hard corners where you can be pinned. If you see confrontation building, create distance early. Use neutral body language. Palms open, shoulders loose, step back. If you need to speak, short, calm, clear, then move. Transport exit strategy. Walk first, rail second. Your best move might be a 10-minute walk before you even think about trains. Stations can surge and stall fast. If it looks rammed, don't force it. Plan. Identify a secondary station or 2 stops along on foot where crowds thin. If you're local enough, consider a bus in the opposite direction first, then switch lines. Keep a walking route to a safe area where you can call a ride after the rush. Carry cash, contactless can fail, or small shops may prefer notes during overloads. Night safety. Stick to lit main roads when walking out. Walk with your buddy. If you're exhausted, stop at a well-lit cafe or public place to regroup rather than pushing on empty. The get home drill, the 60-second reset. When it's time to leave, do this simple 60-second drill. Step 1, 10 seconds. Breathe and decide. In for 4 seconds, out for 6. Which exit route? Pick it. Step 2, 10 seconds. Buddy check. Eye contact, sleeve grab, we're heading to street. Step 3, 10 seconds. Hands free, phone away, bottle stowed or clipped. Step 4, 15 seconds. Edge and diagnosal. Move to the outside and head diagonally to space. Step 5, 15 seconds. Text and go. Leaving now, route X, battery Y percent, then walk with purpose. Edges, exits, early. That's the whole game. What not to do. Don't run blindly, there's a stampede risk. If people run, step aside to space, then reassess. Don't argue with rival groups or police. You will not change their minds, you will change your risk. Don't climb fences, narrow stairwells, or onto vehicles for vantage points. Don't wait just to see what happens. That's how slow turns into too late. Don't ignore your body. If you're thirsty, hungry, overheating, fix it now, not later. Family and first timer variant. If you're bringing kids or someone who's not used to crowds, drop the risk profile by half. Adjustments. Perimeter only, no center of the action. Shorter time on the ground, arrive later, leave earlier. Hand contact, physically link in high density. Ear protection for young ears. Pre-brief your rendezvous or if lost moves. Pack extra water and a small treat. Steady blood sugar equals steady behavior. If you get split up, it happens. You look down, then look up, they're gone. Protocol, stop, breathe, don't swirl with the crowd. Move to the edge, step into space. Doorway, alcove. Text, split near landmark, go into rendezvous. Walk the plan, don't hunt the center. Your rendezvous is your magnet. Micro first aid. You're not a field medic, but small wins matter. Scrapes and minor cuts. Clean with sterile wipes, cover with plaster. Blisters. Plaster now, don't be tough. Eye irritation. Saline flush, blink, don't rub. Anxiety spike. Breathe in cadence. In for 4 seconds, out for 6. Repeat 10 times. Sip water, talk calmly to your buddy and reassure them with phrases like we're doing the plan. The calm exit. You've done it right if your exits feel boring. You notice rising density early, you moved diagonally to the edges, you took a side street and walked 10 minutes to a quieter spot. You texted your contacts and checked in on the way. You went home hydrated and slept. That's the win. Boring is beautiful. Aftercare and debrief. When you're home, rinse eyes and skin if needed, shower, change clothes, hydrate and eat something simple. Do a 2-minute debrief with your buddy. What worked? What will we change? Update your paper map and checklist for next time. If you filmed, back up your footage and consider blurring faces in volatile moments. Finally, message your check-in contacts, home safe. Recap. Before. Buddy, rendezvous, 2 exits, offline maps. Wear, sturdy shoes, neutral layers, clear glasses. Carry, water, power bank, cash ID, mini first aid, saline pods. Whistle, notepad, face covering, proper map. On scene. Avoid bottlenecks, arms up test. If tension rises, 10-second decision tree, diagonal out. Upwind, open space, hands visible. Kettled. Breathe, text, conserve battery, wait for dispersal. Irritants, upwind, FFP2 mass, flushed, don't rub. Exit, walk first, rail second, edges, exits early. Final 60-second get home drill. 60 to 50, breathe, pick exit A or B. 49 to 40. Buddy sleeve, we're leaving now to street. 39 to 30, phone away, hands free. 29 to 20, diagnosal to edge, small steps. 19 to 10, upwind check, avoid bottlenecks. 9 to 0, text leaving now, route X, battery Y, walk with purpose. You just did the drill, now you can do the day. If this helped, send it to someone who's heading in. Drop a comment with your exit tip or crowd hack so others can learn from it. Kit up on the UK Refined Amazon Survival kit list in the description and head over to the Charlie Survival Facebook group to join the community and find your people. I highly recommend watching this video about the reality of bugging out in the UK. Stay safe, stay kind, remember edges, exits early.